how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. As you can see, I'm making the Besties bows. Yes, Christmas is a busy time. We need a bow for everything, right? For a wreath, for present, garland, and lantern. So this is the easiest bow out there. And I figure I'm gonna refresh your memory, and maybe for some new viewers who are intimidated, never made a bow before, show you how easily this could be done. You don't need any tools, any experience. I'll show you step by step the easiest bow out there, okay? Let's get started. I'll be using 2 colors of ribbon today. You can use just 1 or you can use 3 or 4. It's up to you. This ribbon is from BJ's. You get much more for your money, even cheaper than a dollar store. You will need a pipe cleaner or a piece of wire to tie your bow. You will need a ruler. It's usually 12 inches long, and a pair of scissors. We are going to cut the ribbon in 36 inches long pieces, which means 3 lengths of your ruler. Cut. Put the ends together. Fold it in half and cut diagonally towards the wired edge. You get the fishtails on both ends at the same time. You are going to cut all your ribbon like this. I have 6 pieces here, 3 red, 3 white. You have all your ribbons folded in half, just like this, right? We are going to measure 6-inch loops. Measure 6 inches, pinch, and hold it with your thumb. Grab the next ribbon. You want to alternate the colors if you have more than once. Measure 6 inches, pinch, and hold. Do this with all your ribbons. Like I said, I have 6 pieces here. If you want a bigger bow, you might want to do 8. Or if you, for example, just need a bow for a gift, 2 or 3 might be enough. And now the last one, 6 inches, pinch, hold it all together, grab a pipe cleaner or a wire, and tie it real tight. You might want to flip the bow for a tighter hold. Okay, now we are going to sit the bow on the table and start fluffing. You are going to put your hand through each loop, just like so. Separate the loops. You want to mix the colors up. And then you start fluffing the tails. You put each tail through your fingers so it curls up, just like so. Separate each tail and make sure that they're right side up. You see the one at the bottom needs to be turned up. Curl it. Beautiful. Fluffing is the most important part, so make sure you run your fingers through every single tail and loop, okay? So turn on your favorite Christmas music or a Hallmark movie and just fluff, fluff, fluff until a beautiful Bestie bow appears. And this is a whole trick. If you've never done a Bestie bow before, you have to try it. You're gonna love it and you're gonna be so proud of yourself. It really takes your decorations or presents to another level. You'll see. By the way, are you my bestie yet? Why not? Hit the red subscribe button, become my bestie. That way we're gonna be in touch and create together much more, okay? As you can see, I made a whole bunch of Bestie bows. I'm just having so much fun here. And there's a special order for my client, my Bestie. And let me just show you how it would look on a wreath. I have a pipe cleaner in the back of my bow. So I'm just going to use it to attach it to a wreath. Just tie it down all the way down to the frame. Spread your tails. Don't pull it too much so you don't sunken in your bow too much. And then just twist tie it in the back. And in the end, you are going to fluff up your bow one more time and make sure all the tails are spread out and looking nice. Please comment down below, leave me some bow emojis, and let me know if you made a bestie bow before or if this is your first time watching. And this is how the bestie bow looks on a Christmas wreath. My besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. And here's a Christmas wreath with a bestie bow. How do you like it? It's beautiful, right? I'm gonna show you a tutorial in the next video. So stay tuned. See you next time, my besties. I love you. Bye bye.